Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a Brevo for beginners, full step-by-step guide. If you're new to Brevo, be sure to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those already set up, just log in and follow along. Brevo is a powerful email marketing tool that helps you create beautiful newsletters, automate workflows, and integrate sign-up forms on your website. Whether you're a pro or just starting, Brevo can streamline your email marketing process. Start by signing up for a Brevo account using the link in the description for a free trial. Enter your email and create a password. Then click Create an Account. Check your inbox for a verification email and follow the instructions to confirm your account. Brevo offers various plans to suit different needs. The free plan is ideal for beginners or small operations, allowing up to 300 emails per day with no contact limits. The starter plan caters to larger contact bases, increasing your sending capacity and allowing you to remove the Brevo logo. For high volume senders, the Pro plan includes all starter features, plus advanced analytics and A/B testing. After choosing your plan, take some time to explore Brevo's features. Once registered, you'll land on the dashboard, your command center for email marketing. The left navigation bar provides access to essential tools like campaigns, contacts, and automation, making it easy to manage your campaigns. Every email sent through Brevo has a sender attached, usually your registered email. For a more professional touch, set up a custom sender with your domain. Go to the Senders and IP section in your dashboard, add a new sender by entering your name and custom email, then click Save. Finally, verify your email using the link Brevo sends you, and your custom sender will be ready to use. Automations can significantly enhance your email marketing by allowing you to automate tasks like welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and follow-ups. To set one up, navigate to Automation in your dashboard. Create a new automation by naming it and selecting an entry point such as Contact submits a form. Then, add actions to be triggered like sending an email and include conditions to fine-tune when those actions occur, such as only sending to contacts on your list for over 30 days. By following these steps, you can effectively start using Brevo to create impactful email marketing campaigns. Happy emailing! I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below where you can learn how my team and I generate over 80K in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.